Lisong PET injection system redefines the high-performance molding with 3 core advantages. The clamping system, unwavering stability, features maintenance-free design, eliminating lubricant contamination. Direct clamping ensures product consistency. Ultra-low friction guideways boost the speed and cut energy use. Highly sensitive low-pressure protection instantly safeguards modes. The injection system, precision and efficiency. A dedicated PET screw minimizes acetate height, ensuring Preform purity. Simultaneous injection and plastification shortens cycle times. Utilizes infrared heating for significant energy savings. Servo-driven control optimizes production and quantity. Integrated system, precision environmental control across the entire process. Internal integrated cooling utilizes an external high-efficiency cooling system for rapid heat dissipation, shortening the molding cycle. The fully enclosed water circuit design prevents coolant residue and inhibits bacterial growth, meeting food-grade hygiene standards. Frequency conversion chiller and dehumidifier unit features an innovative waste heat recovery system that intelligently regulates water temperature to prevent condensation on mold surfaces. Dynamic humidity control significantly reduces condensation formation, thoroughly avoiding water stain contamination. Dehumidifying drying and feeding system drying and conveying. The dehumidifier generates ultra-low dew point dry hot air, which performs constant temperature dehumidification of raw materials in the insulated hopper, while the automatic feeder enables sealed transportation. Lisong PET injection system not only empowers your production with superior quality, but also boosts your efficiency and cleanliness.